This might look like just a fancy lighter. But here's the thing, most people don't carry anything like this, and if they do, it usually ends up in a drawer. So the question isn't really what is it, it's where does something like this actually fit into everyday carry? Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob. Welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into practical carry, what actually works in real life, you are in the right place. Because what you carry carries you. Quick note, this was sent out to the channel with no obligation. No script approval, just a chance to take a look. This is the T-Torch, launching on Kickstarter. At its core, it is a jet flame lighter, high heat, precision flame, and one-handed adjustable operation. It's very clearly been designed as more than just a lighter. You've got a solid, standable body, a clean, almost minimal design, and something that feels a bit more like an object rather than a disposable tool. And that's important because most lighters aren't this. Because if we're honest, most people don't carry torch lighters day to day. They're using cheap disposables, something that lives in a kitchen drawer, or a bigger torch that only comes out occasionally. And that's the problem. They're useful, but not really part of your carry system. They don't have a place. And this is where something like this becomes interesting, because it's trying to sit in that middle ground. It is not pocket EDC, but it is not a full workshop tool. But it is something you might actually keep within reach. After filling from a readily available clipper or butane gas can, it's great for lighting candles at home, fire pit or outdoor use, quick little jobs where you might need a reliable flame. And amateur chefs can probably find a use for it in the kitchen, creming their brulees, for example. It is not something that I would carry every day, but it is something I would choose to keep nearby in the house. And that's what I like about it. It feels intentional. It's not overcomplicating things. It's just a well-designed tool that happens to produce a very serious flame. And sometimes that's enough. But equally, this isn't for everyone. If you're looking for something ultra lightweight or something you'll always have in your pocket, this probably isn't it. This is more about an environmental carry rather than everyday pocket carry. So no, you probably don't need a torch lighter in your EDC. But if your setup includes it and you've got a place for it, this is a really interesting way of doing it. I will link to the Kickstarter down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.